Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Now, a few questions from this topic. What changes can you make in your habits to become more environment friendly? Okay, so just think about your day-to-day activity and list out few things. List out few things which you can bring about change. I mean, the things which you can change in your life to help the nature. Okay, list out. Try to list out the things in your day-to-day activities which you can change. Okay, which will help the environment and which will save the natural resources. I've just given you few examples like refusing the use of plastic straws, reducing the use of electricity, reducing the use of water, not wasting them, then recycling the recyclable waste like Coke cans or newspapers, reusing the bags or bottles again and again, and repurposing, using the discarded things for other purposes. So these are few little things which you can bring about in your life to save the nature. Next question. What would be the advantages of exploiting resources with short-term aims? Okay, so if you are thinking of only short-term aim, okay, and utilizing the natural resources, then it will lead to economic development of that society, of that country. For example, a country is using too much of coal and petroleum and setting up industries. They're clearing up the land, they are clearing up the forest to set up industries and using coal, petroleum, electricity. So there will be instant economic development. But on the other hand, on a long-term basis, it will cause irreparable damage to the environment. So how would these advantages differ from the advantages of using a long-term perspective? Okay, the long-term perspective is environment friendly and taking care of future generations. Next question, why do you think there should be an equitable distribution of resources? What forces would be working against an equitable distribution of our resources? Now, why there should be equitable distribution of resources? Because everyone, all the persons living on this earth, they have equal right to the resources. Okay, right now there are only few, like 10% of people who are rich and powerful. They have the reach to the maximum natural resources. Let's say 90% of the resources are being used by 10%, and rest 10%, rest 90% people have very limited reach to the resources. So it is highly undesirable. And what force would be working against this? Those who are rich and powerful. They want hold on the maximum natural resources for their own selfish benefits. Okay, so that's all from this part of the video.